Hey guys, what's going on? It's Russell again. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you get notified every time I post a video, which is pretty much every day. I do swing trading alert service reviews, I do options trading service alerts reviews, even do some like investing stuff as well. But today I want to talk a bit more about actually our own service, Sidekick Traders. So for years I was just testing out and joining different stock and option alert services and reviewing them on my blogs and on this YouTube channel. But last year I co-founded with Marian, this is Marian on the right here, a site called sidekicktraders.com where we do options trading and stock swing and some day trading on stocks as well. So I thought I'd review like one of Marian's recent trades and show you her track record and stuff, because one of the things that we really try and focus on is transparency, because over the years there's been just so many terrible companies that I've joined with these alert services, and they've just been so like obviously fraudulent or just like really misleading. So one of the things at Sidekicks is we try to basically show every trade, brokers, all this kind of stuff. So anyway, let me show you our website. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's sidekicktraders.com. This is about us. Here's Marian. She runs a channel which we kind of informally call Marian Movers, because they're penny stocks. So they're very volatile. They can move 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% in hours. And often she's looking at stuff pre-market as well. So let's go through one of her trades recently. Actually, let's start with her track record. So I asked her to print out from her broker what her days have looked like this month. So it's June. This is the 1st of June. We're on the 24th to 25th today. And you can see the profits and losses that she's making every day from day trading these penny stocks. Some of these were entries that she took like the day before and then sold here kind of thing. So it's not like all cash at the end of the day. You can see her track record for this month is fantastic. And she's up $7,000, snapshot from her broker. I think she's using about a $40,000 account, so you can kind of get the percentage from that. I think that would be what, 5%? My brain's not working too well this early in the morning. Well, 10% of 40 would be 4, so it's actually more than that. It's like 15-16%. Pretty good. So yeah, this is our track record for this month. She's had similar performance for from the start of the year, with a couple of months where it's just kind of flat because the market wasn't really doing very well for these penny stocks. Anywho, I wanted to show you her channel in our Discord. Let me see if I can find it. It's like vanished. Here we go, it's over here. Alright, so this is Marian's Playbook. She posts every day with the charts that she's looking at, and she makes a real effort to show her actual buy orders as well, so you know she's actually trying to buy these things, and she'll show when she gets filled as well. So the commentary here is pretty interesting. Her strategy is pretty straightforward, but she's kind of perfected it down to like this fine art. So her execution is very precise, and her charting is very precise as well. But when it boils down to it, her charting is relatively simple, although it might not look like it with all these lines. She's become pretty expert at figuring out different levels, so these are different key levels. These red ones are typical support levels, and she color codes them, and God knows what else she does, but this looks like it's a thicker red line, so I'm guessing she'd followed that back over a long time frame to figure out levels of, this is a key level, and it's acting as support on this day here. This is a 4-hour time frame. She meticulously goes through all the different time frames to make sure everything adds up so that she doesn't miss anything. I'm pretty impressed with that. She looks at this chart, it looks like, and it was holding this level, this key level that she likes, with obviously these lines as profit potential if they break through them. So the key thing she looks at is if the stock is overbought, which it was in this case. You can see the overbought is starting to turn up. She uses the FSTO KD lines, and basically it's as simple as that. She finds these key levels. If it's bouncing off a key level and it's oversold, and it's turning up, then that's a potential target for her. So this was ACST on June 22nd. Looks like she put a buy order in at 0.49. Let's see, I think she got filled. Yeah, she got filled, and then an hour later she was up 4%, which is not bad. Small position, she said, fair enough, 4%. But if you follow what happened the rest of the day, and I plot it on this separate page just for clarity, this is when she bought 0.49. Look at this thing, it just kept going up and up and up into after hours, where it had gone up 50% by the end of after hours, which is just amazing. So she really called this one. This happens regularly, maybe not 50%, but 20, 30, 40% on a regular basis. And it's just been really great watching her. So let's go back to her channel once again and show you some of the other ideas that she has going on. So yeah, this is when she was up 7%. She shows her broker snapshot. So let's just see. Here's some other positions. She's always showing different, screenshots. She's just so transparent, it's awesome. Here's another example of a chart that looks like it's bouncing off one of our key levels of support here. So RWLK. And you can see that it's kind of done this before. It's had a past run and it's bouncing off our support levels there. K over D starting to turn up from the oversold regime. Let's see what day this was. This is the 23rd. It's now the 25th. Let's see if it actually followed through. So she was looking at the 4 hour as well. Let's see. So she put a buy order in at 1.68. See if she ever got filled. There we go. She got filled at some point. She's up 1 or 2%. Let's see. Not seen. There we go. She's now at 6% on RWLK. So you can really just follow through her channel and find out, how everything went. It's like so transparent. There's no crackhead day trading here where it's a scalp in 10 seconds and subscribers can't follow. All of these take time, sometimes a day, sometimes 3 days. But it's just amazing. She's got such a great track record. And looks like she just sold off TBLT today for 7%. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you join the Discord, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can sign up and just get notified whenever Marian posts one of her plays. She calls it her playbook. And then you can go into the Marian chat channel and talk about with her like the different plays and how you guys are playing them and stuff. So alright, well that's all I really wanted to show you today. Hopefully it's a decent example of Marian in swing trade. Sorry, sidekick traders. I really am still asleep. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.